Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up custom SMTP on a self-hosted Appwrite instance. First of all, we have to download the docker-compose.yaml file and the .env file, and you can find it if you head over to appwrite.io/docs/advanced/self-hosting and head over to the section where it says manual docker compose. And you will see two download links, docker-compose.yaml and .env. So you need to download both of those files and move them over to a folder called Appwrite. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy paste everything from inside here. I've already created a folder called Appwrite, and I'm just going to create a new file. I'm going to name it docker-compose.yaml, and I'm going to paste the contents here. Then I'm going to head back to the .env file that I need to paste over, and I'm going to go back to the IDE, create new file called .env, and paste the environment variables. And the next step now is to configure your SMTP credentials into the environment variables and then launch the instance of Appwrite. So let's get started with the env file. So I'm going to type _app_SMTP. And you're going to find here that you have quite a few fields that you have to replace with valid credentials. So for the SMTP host, in this case, let's try use SMTP SendGrid.net. And if you're using SendGrid or any other email delivery service, make sure to use your own credentials for the host, the port, the username, the password. But for the case of SendGrid, which is quite a popular email delivery service, we can use the port 587. And we are going to use TLS connection. For the username, you're going to add your username and your password. And finally, we need one more variable that we need to update, which is the _app_system_email. And you need to update the app system email address from noreply@appwrite.io to noreply, whatever your domain name is, and same probably for the team email if you wish to change it. And make sure to also update the system email name so that it reflects the name you use for your own application. And now finally, let's start our Appwrite instance using Docker. So let's head over to the terminal and type docker compose app-d-remove-orphans. And that should start the instance of Appwrite very shortly. And now that the instance has started, we can also check if the changes that we made to the environment variables have been successfully applied to the Docker instance by typing docker compose exec appwrite vars. And this will give us an inspection of all the environment variables that have been assumed. All we have to do is just go and see that the app, SMTP host, and port secure username and password have been set up successfully, as well as we also need to check the app_system email name has been changed and email address has been assumed. So this gives us confirmation that everything now should be working correctly. So that's all the steps you need to take to set up custom SMTP for your self-hosted Appwrite instance. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Appwrite tutorials in the very near future. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.